Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss on a fresh topic. Now, what is that topic all about? I will disclose that after my introduction once again. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Million Hospitality Private Limited. The topic is location analysis. Yes, it's a very, very vital topic for selection of your site. I am going to talk with my personal experience when it comes to selection of a site. I have observed that most of the times the sites are already selected by the hotel owners or owners who are intending to do a hotel project. However, the site analysis is very, very important. It has various, it's not about just having a land parcel at any one corner. That particular corner or that particular site is selected by the hotel owner. I don't know for what. It may be for some other reason. If that reason has not worked out or that business has not worked out, he has decided to do a hotel. If he has decided to do a hotel, whether that particular site is viable or not, whether that particular site would fetch revenues or not, would get the guests there or not. There are so many aspects to it. So the major factors are what I have understood, that when the owner is selecting the site, he has to ensure that an expert, a consultant or a brand who's going to operate his hotel should be taken to the site and do the due diligence of the site, do the analysis of the site. There are various activities which the expert understands. The vibration itself gives you, reaching on the site, a particular energy, a particular vibration gives you the idea whether the project will be hit or not, whether the project will fetch you the desired branding, the desired revenue, the desired footfall. All those things happen only once an experienced person reaches on site and he understands it. It's not about just going on the site, okay, location declare this, that you have seen and it's done. No, it's about understanding the energies, understanding the vibration. I do it myself. I am very particular about going into the depth of any site. However, the site mapping is done. There are a lot of factors which has to be considered. There you need to understand the competition, you need to understand the accessibility, you need to understand the center market area, you need to understand the season of the particular location, what happens in a particular season, what happens in a B particular season, what happens in the rainy season, what happens in the winters, what is the response, what is the approach, what are the Google trends talking about, what are the local responses, what are the previous events or calamities happened. There are so many things which has to be understood and then taken a decision. The overall objective of any organization is to satisfy the delight customers with its product and services. The customer is going to, who's going to patronize your property, should be happy. That should be the most important point. That has to be the particular product should pull the customers to your property. The hotel unit which will be constructed or which will be developed there should consider all the inputs such as the day-to-day requirements of the food and non-food supplies. All that is important. The skilled manpower important, unskilled manpower important. They all come together and make a hotel unit functional for the guests. So all these parameters should be judged. A facility location determine the facility location determination is a critical business strategic decision. It's a very critical business strategic decision for any owner. There are several factors that determine the location of the facility, including competition, cost, and corresponding associated effects. With this, I am summing up. Location analysis will be carrying more subtopics I am going to discuss in my separate videos, point by point, under the subject location analysis. Till then, I am taking your leave. Once again, Shailesh Pursange, father of a superboy, hotel since 1988, a steward transformed into managing director, Amazon #1 best-selling author, founder of Menon Hospitality Private Limited. Till then, see you, take care, like the video, subscribe the channel by pressing the bell icon. I'll be back with you. Thank you.